Hey everyone, it's Sarge again, back with another creative collection here. This is one by Vengeance Studios. You got the diorama from the Flash movie. You got Supergirl, Flash, and Michael Keaton's Batman. I try to get the likenesses from the movie characters as good as I could, and this is my results. Hope you guys like this. I've been out of pocket for a couple weeks, but I'm coming back strong. So look forward to some of the things that I have to bring to video, and hopefully you guys like this stuff. Uh, I'm sure you will. I'm gonna do my best to come up with some good plans and paint schemes to excite everyone. I've been doing football helmets. That's what's been keeping me busy. I did one Falcons football helmet in the army or not army but the military salute colors, and posted it on Facebook. And next thing you know, I got orders to do other football helmets. So I'm doing those. I've done a couple shorts on them, but it's a lot of work and detail that go into just painting a helmet and getting it, showroom quality. But like I was saying, this is a new venture that I've gotten into, but nothing that's going to take away from me doing my sculptures here. This is what I love doing the best. But hope you guys like this, and hit the bell notification, hit the like, and hit the subscribe. And I promise you, I'll bring you some new stuff very soon. All right, you guys take care and peace out. All right, so we're gonna start off with some skin tone. I got my little mix here that I got for a base, and I'm gonna pretty much hit all three characters up with the same base. Here we got Supergirl. She has two head sculpts. I ended up using one. I painted both, but I ended up using one because it's so small. Just I can't see myself switching those head sculpts out over and over and over. So what I did was I just pushed the magnet back in and glued her head on at the end. But I'm making sure that I'm hitting her hands, and I will go back with some Liquitex and cover them up so I can get the uniform painted in there right. Here's Michael Keaton. Now I'm going back with a lighter skin tone over the base, because Michael Keaton's a little pale, and you want some highlights from above, especially like on her hair part and her thumbs and her knuckles. Let's not forget the flash. All right, so here's a side shot of me trying to show you guys Batman. But what I'm doing, I'm just doing a wash. I'm starting off with my red. Sometimes I'll switch it up and go the opposite and do red last. But you can just, do it the way you want to, as long as you got all the steps in there. I still go back and add a little red here and there once I've painted it. There you go. Now you can see. But I make sure that nothing is pooling here. You don't want to leave anything pulled up on the face because it will stay with the paint, and you end up having to do it again if you can't get it off. I like to use a sponge or a napkin, and just wet my napkin a little bit to get it off. Here I'm just doing the same thing to the Flash's face with some red wash that I made. You can see that big cup of pre-made wash that I made. I've had that cup of wash for about a year. And what I did, I just took some red paint, mixed it with white, added a little bit of skin tone to it, just so that skin tone will go back into the paint and have like a grip or a little bite to it. That's my theory. It's working out. With this scope of Supergirl, I added a little bit more red around the eyes and around her cheek area because she's getting ready to shoot a laser beam out of her eyes. So I figured, the lasers don't just come out. There's got to be some fluctuations to the skin tone when she's or even Superman is shooting lasers out of their eyes, because that's what will happen in real life if you believe in that. Now I'm just adding some blue. I'm gonna get that off as fast as possible because you don't want all that blue stuck in the face. And me, when I when I do a wash, I make sure that I seal the skin first with a varnish. I'm sorry that I took so long to get these videos out, but yeah, I've been working so hard on getting these football helmets done. It helped me get my wife to see her favorite singer, Carol G, down in Atlanta. So had to do what I gotta do because I make these sculptures for free at home. They're not going out to people. Now I will, but for the most part, I make them, for my channel. But those football helmets, they can bring in some pretty good money, 3D printed. All right, Supergirl getting her taste of blue. There's a lot of footage that I don't have when it comes to close-ups of doing their eyes later on in the video because I had to delete it. The camera that I bought off of Amazon, I thought, it says 4K, but it's not really 4K. The zoom, once it goes in zoom, oh my God, it was just too blurry. So what I gotta do, I gotta figure out, how to get that camera looking good. And I won't post anything with that camera until it's looking good. So from this shot, I'm shooting with my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I just ordered the 15 Pro Max because of the camera on there. And it's got a lot of space because I got the terabyte. So that's me, spending quality money instead of, buying some goofy stuff off of Amazon. You're gonna get quality with a camera from iPhone. Even a Samsung camera is great. They're pretty much cameras that can call. So yeah, I'll definitely be shooting more with that. And I still have a GoPro. So I'm gonna figure this out and get some better quality shots to you guys in the future. So stay tuned for that. And please like and subscribe if you're getting, what you need from me. Or like and subscribe if you want to see more from me. All right, so here I'm doing a skin tone wash. Just adding a little brown back to the skin after putting all those other colors in there. And I got this paint from Monument Hobbies. I love their paint. It's great. I was just trying it out. So now, I'm dipping my paint in water and my paintbrush and getting that spread around and taking off as much as I can. With Batman, you got different crevices that you got to get to because he's wearing a cowl, and you want those shadows to still show through. Same goes with the flash. Sorry you can't see him. There you go. Now it's time for the base coat of these costumes. So here I'm going with a black mixed with a little gray. This one's simple. Can't get any simple. Now I'll just go back with a lighter tone and dry brush it in. Here I'm doing Supergirl's makeup. She's not, wearing makeup, but she does, have she does have it on in the movie. So I'll put the details as if she's supposed to be made up. Oh yeah, I definitely wanted to get you guys the eyes that I did a little closer, but you can best believe the next video will have that. Now let's get Supergirl's costume done. The Flash, I wanted him to have a little orange tint to his costume, like in the old days. It's more orange. It brings me back to this toy that I had back in the 80s, and he was kind of orangey, so I wanted to bring that feeling of nostalgia back. So here we go, but still have the movie effects on it. So after I painted him, I went back and filled in the yellow lines to bring that lightning out. This blue from Createx is so beautiful. I thinned it out. Thinned it out with a little airbrush thinner, and it's just coming out wonderful. Now just dry brushing the base, and I'll do the same effects to the other two bases. Flash got lightning in his, and Supergirl's just a rock. So it's nothing special. And here we go with the final results. Hope you guys like this. It was a lot of work between three characters. I didn't 3D print Batman's cape. What I did was I went to Hobby Lobby and got some cloth, and I printed part of the cape and put some wires in it, just so it's bendable and posable. Here you can see the lightning details from the Flash. And there's Batman. All right. If you guys like this, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and hit that button to see other videos that I have. And I will see you guys in the near future. Thank you for your support and sticking around to the end of this video to see the final results. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.